We have ourselves a turtle. Nature's most fearsome beast. We're that close. This is living. This is why we do this. Right here. I could compose a haiku.
There's like 3 of them.
Go closer, Karen. They can jump. So be careful, they can jump. Go closer. Paddle on the left. Paddle on the left. Paddle on the left. Paddle on the left, Karen. Keep going. Let's see how close we can get. I got it on video. Keep going. Pedal.
I swear if it jumps in this boat, I'm going to kill you.
Karen, they can't actually jump. Okay. That was a joke.
No. Oh, he's scared of us when we're knocking.
Oh my Lord, that was funny stuff right there.